Hey guys, Rick Fix here to talk about our solar backup battery. We decided to build our own versus buying the Tesla Powerwall or the Generac battery, whatever it was. Uh, we got twice the storage out of this battery for half the price. And really the beauty of it is there's no circuit board or sensor that's going to tell you that, oh, I can't put out power when you have a power outage and you need it. These batteries were bought off of Amazon. They are the 12 volt, 100 amp hour batteries. This entire backup battery is about 20 kilowatt hours of storage, which will easily get you through any night running your air conditioning, your fans, your freezers, refrigerators, as you would normally. What's so great about building your own battery is if you know a storm is coming, you can load test your batteries. If you find that you have a bad battery, you can go to the local AutoZone or Walmart and fix your battery. There's no service tech required. This is definitely the way to go. We have the Sol-Ark 12K hybrid inverter, and it takes a 48 volt battery of any chemistry. This happens to be AGM chemistry, sealed lead acid. This is a 48 volt series and parallel battery. So we have 48 volts, 48 volts, 48 volts, 48 volts, all tied in parallel for more capacity. I can't really tell you what this battery will do for your home. I can tell you it's about 20 kilowatt hours, and for our home, we recently had a power outage for 13 hours. We weren't home, but it ran our air conditioning, it ran our freezers, it ran our outdoor lights that we left on, fans, different things for 13 hours, and it brought this down to about 50% capacity. The beauty of our Sol-Ark inverter is that it just keeps these charged all the time off of the grid. There's kind of always a little 80 to 100 watt ghost float charge that goes on these all the time. Very little power, but they stay ready to go all the time. Today's price for these batteries on Amazon is $150 each, and it's free shipping. And I guarantee that the Amazon delivery driver hated me the day he unloaded these. So you're looking at $2,400 for this battery, and a couple $100 worth of hardware and copper wire to get it through the wall and into the inverter. I highly recommend building your own battery so that you can maintain it, you can work on it, and you won't have a board tell you that it's not going to put power out. We hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. We have many more videos coming out on our solar project.